Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
8 OPEC Plus countries on Sunday agreed to raise oil output in December by 137,000 barrels per day, and then to pause the output hikes for the first quarter of 2026, OPEC Plus said in a statement. The Japanese yen faced a monthly loss against the US dollar after the Bank of Japan disappointed traders, hoping for a more hawkish stance on future rate hikes, while the Federal Reserve dampened expectations for a December rate cut. Gold prices fell by 1% to end last week, weighed down by uncertainty over another US Federal Reserve interest rate cut this year, but the metal remained poised for a third straight monthly gain. US gold futures for December delivery settled 0.5% lower.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.